So hey guys, it's Mike, the HVAC Reefer Guy, and I am with Rob at Pro West Sales in Canada, and he is a distributor.
Yeah, manufacturer.
For Centrotherm.
Yeah, thank you.
So tell us about your company.
Yeah.
What do you obviously rep other things besides Centrotherm. So tell us about your company, and then I'm going to ask you about Centrotherm.
Sure. So we are a manufacturer rep in Alberta, and I'm in charge of mechanical sales for Northern Alberta, which we part of our line card is Centrotherm and Air Excellent and Iniflu products. So moving product out the door is pretty great.
So how did you come into a relationship with Centrotherm? Because there's tons of other companies out there, and you guys picked Centrotherm. There had to be a reason.
Yes. So I'll maybe speak to my journey a little bit. I've been a plumber and an HVAC guy for 33 years, and moved back from BC to Alberta. And there was an opportunity with Pro West Sales, and their whole line card I'm familiar with. So Centrotherm, that's where I got my experience with Centrotherm. I've done a lot of their installs. Great product, amazing stuff, labor saving, cost saving, high tech. So it's great.
But from a distributor side, though, there's got to be a warranty aspect. There's got to be a quality issue aspect, because you're always looking for quality product. I would assume, in fact, I won't say assume, I'm going to bet you that you don't have those problems with Centrotherm.
It's great. Yeah, I rarely get warranty issues. Their warranty, 10-year warranty on a lot of their products stands the test of time. I have never had an issue with it since the year I've been with Pro West Sales.
That is so
Yeah,
great.
it's fantastic. Yeah. And from installer's perspective, the product is second to none.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So tell us do you have a website?
I'm on Instagram. I'm Robbie K at PWA. So
Robbie K?
Robbie K, Pro West Alberta.
Okay.
So yeah.
And then the company itself?
Yeah, Pro West.
Are they in all the provinces?
Yeah. So we have a division in BC that is a Pro West Sales, and then Pro West Sales Alberta is the company I work for.
But the goal reason I say from a distributor side, we can get Centrotherm in all the provinces, right?
Yeah, Alberta, BC, all the way out to the East Coast.
Out to the East Coast.
Yeah, for
So
sure.
tell us again about your Rob.
Rob,
And what's the name of your company?
Pro West Sales Alberta.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Check him out. Mike, the HVAC Reefer Guy with Rob at AHR 2025.